So traditionally, because we are very cost conscious and time conscious, this is how we approach problem solving. We get the problem, and we immediately start converging on a solution. We say, okay, this is the problem. So I think I know a good solution. This is what we should start doing. You start making decisions. What design thinking does is it goes through a series of steps where you open up possibilities and you create choices. And so it gives you the chance to ask, are we solving the right problem? Are we asking the right questions? A lot of times if you're given a problem, it could be that you're just solving for a symptom of what the real problem is. And so the design process kind of helps you flesh out the actual problem and the real customer needs. Well, people don't care about your solution, they care about your problems. And I know as a business owner, or I assume, I've never been a business owner, but I assume that it's very personal and it's very, like, people need my solution. But what you actually have to think about is, how does your solution fit into their life and solve their problem? And so that's the mindset we're going to get into for empathy. The next step is to define. So based on the wallet challenge, we're going to define what the actual problem is. Like what do we want to address that our partner needs? Next step is prototyping. We're going to prototype a solution, something to put into your customer's hands, your partner's hands. I'm sure a lot of you have heard fail early, fail often. But I don't think it's really fail. I think this is more about iterating. So you want to get something into your customer's hand as soon as possible and as cheaply as possible. And with prototyping, it's very easy to do. You can do very low resolution prototype. And just show it to your customer and say, is this kind of what you had in mind? And you can get some feedback immediately. One reason why you build multiple prototypes, hopefully, and you come up with your multiple prototypes, is that you don't get attached emotionally to your prototype. So the mindset is a lot of times you want to prototype as if you think you're right. Like this is going to be an awesome solution for my customer. But when you're testing and when you're going to get feedback, you want to be in the mindset of it's a learning experience. So you want to understand what's wrong with your prototype. Why doesn't this work for you? So that's how you want to approach it.